Hearing a strange noise when braking? It could be your brake pads or rotors. When brake pads wear down, you risk damaging the rotors. These parts work together to stop your vehicle by creating friction. Ignoring worn pads can lead to costly rotor damage and compromise safety. Here's what happens. Over time, use wears the pads thin. Once too thin, metal parts may grind on the rotor, causing noise and reduced efficiency. Your car might not stop as quickly, increasing accident risk. The good news is, catching it early means you can replace the pads and often save the rotors. Regularly check your brake pad thickness. If they're low, change them before they cause rotor damage. Listen for unusual sounds when braking. That's a sign they need attention. Ensure components are installed securely to avoid vibrations or noise. Remember, the braking system is crucial for safety, so never compromise on maintenance. This knowledge can save you a significant repair bill and keep you safe on the road. Share this with someone who drives daily. It might help them too. Drop brakes in the comments if this info helped you.